The double murder trial for disgraced former attorney Alex Murdaugh resumed on Tuesday, with the defense trying to discredit the prosecution's case. Murdaugh is accused of killing his wife and son in 2021. He has pled not guilty to the crimes. Nikki Battiste has the latest from the courthouse, where a key witness took the stand.
On the stand today, Alex Murdaugh's surviving son, Buster, spoke publicly for the first time about the night his mother, Maggie, and brother, Paul, were found dead. He says he rushed to his father's side.
What was his demeanor?
Yeah, his demeanor was, he was destroyed. He was heartbroken.
Buster described his family as tight-knit and Murdaugh as a devoted father. But prosecutors have painted Murdaugh as a manipulative man who conned people out of millions of dollars for years. They claim Murdaugh killed his wife and son in an attempt to distract from a decade of alleged financial crimes before they came to light as part of a separate civil case involving his son Paul, who was charged with boating under the influence in a crash that killed a 19-year-old girl. Police body camera from the night of the murder shows Murdaugh suggesting the boat crash as the killer's motive.
My son was in a boat wreck. He's been getting threats. I know that's what it is.
Before wrapping its case last week, the prosecution showed jurors footage of investigators questioning Murdaugh 2 months after the murders.
Did you kill Maggie?
No. Did I kill my wife?
Yes, sir.
No, Daddy.
Prosecutors also played video recorded by Paul Murdaugh just before his death, showing his father wearing a different outfit from the white T-shirt and shorts he had on when police arrived. CBS News legal analyst Ricky Kleeman.
So the prosecution may have been very, very effective, but it's getting to that motive that becomes the stretch.
The defense team tells me they're considering putting Alex Murdaugh on the stand to testify. The defense also says they plan to rest their case on Friday, which means the jury would likely begin deliberations next week, John.
Nikki, I thought the rule of thumb was if the prosecution hasn't made the case, don't put your client on the stand. So what would the benefit be to have Murdaugh testify?
Well, it's a really good point, John, and I think pretty much any legal expert you ask, and the legal experts I've spoken with about this say this would be a really risky move, a really rare move. Legal experts also point out this was very well maybe Alex Murdaugh's own idea. He may be insisting he wants to testify because, after all, he once was an attorney. John?
Nikki Battiste in Waterboro, South Carolina. Thank you so much, Nikki.